Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a header row on Google Sheets. So as you can see, if I scroll down, the sort of like header will be lost, like the row of the like topic, like the main sort of topic will be lost, and like I don't know, like I have to like scroll up to like find the sort of header for it. If I, for instance, scrolled really down like so, to do that, you're just going to drag this sort of like line. Where is this line? This line over here. So select this line and drag it to the header which you want to add in the like row, like so. So whenever you scroll down, the header will still be there. You can also do it sideways, I think, like so. Oops. And yeah, you can do it sideways too, like here to here. You can drag it down even more. For instance, you want to add like an example here. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!